interactive English learning program.
101.1 FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Welcome back with me, Dewi, as a host for today. I'm replacing Miss Rifa for many reasons, yeah. But still, we get survive, and of course, we enjoy the vibes as usual. I'm so nervous actually because smart listener, today I'm with a newbie from BPC with our best program that is Smart Up Your Life. In 1 hour more, we are going talking and discussing about practice makes perfect. But first, let me take a breath first, yeah. I feel so sexy today because I lost my voice during our last English camp program actually. But yeah, I enjoy, and it's like I feel enthusiastic because you guys so wonderful for today, yeah. Like our favorite tagline in BPC, BPC.
Wow,
Bright and breezy. Okay. Clap hand please. Nice. Today I'm going to introduce first my friends from BPEC. But after that I'm going also to let one of BPECians to show and introduce what is BPEC exactly and what kind of activity we do for sure every week and every single program. And I'm starting from the blue one. Please introduce yourself first.
Okay, so hello smart listener, my name is Farlaksan Saputra and you can call me Achang. And so actually today I'm going to explain a little bit about the BPC itself. So actually BPC or Benteng Penyu English Club is the oldest community in Makassar, and actually this is the social activity we always conduct every Sunday in multimedia in front of Muhammadiyah University of Makassar at 10 probably until 2 p.m. And yeah, actually this is free for you guys. This free, yeah, you can invite your friend, your family to join with us. So what actually is this activity in BPC? Namely is Love Sunday meeting, and we have 6 items in there. Firstly is who am I? Yeah, you can introduce yourself if you as a newcomer. And number 2 we have ice breaking. Yeah, we can play a game related with English. Yeah, I really believe if it could be improve your vocabulary or something like that. And number 3 we have like D&D, debating and discussion. Yeah, actually we will discuss about this topic, which one already create from committee. Yeah, after that we will debate. If you follow in our activity, yeah, you can improve like your critical thinking, confidence or something like that. And number 4 we have building skill. Yeah, we will learn about theory about the grammar itself, like pronunciation, grammar or something like that. And number 5 we have entertainment. You can show your ability, like you can sing a song or you wanna play a guitar or something like that. And the last we have announcement. It is the activity which one you can share in your information, like scholarship, or you wanna invite participant to join your celebration, like you have a birthday party or something like that. Feel free to invite about participant. I think that's all for BPS itself. Thank you.
Okay, nice, Achang. Now we are turning to the second speaker. That is, please introduce yourself and what is your activity recently.
Okay, guys. Hello, Smart FM listener. But before that, let me introduce myself first. I am Samantha, but you guys can call me Sam.
Sam.
Yeah.
Hi, Sam.
Hi.
It's nice to see you.
Yes. So yeah, I am the newbie in her organization, BPC. So I'm so excited to join the like a lot of activity from this organization, like Kak Achang just said. Then just elaborate about the activity, because honestly I'm very excited and can wait to like contribute my energy, whether it is my energy, my knowledge, insight, and my time to BPC. So yeah, that's all I can say.
So what is your activity right now? I mean, are you a student of
Yes,
university?
yes, I am student in State University of Makassar.
Mm-hmm.
I'm majoring in English education
Mm-hmm.
in the second semester. And I mean in the second year.
Second
I'm in
year.
the third semester. So right now we have like UAS, ujian akhir
Was
semester. So
okay.
final project. We have a lot of final projects. So yeah, it's like recently it's a little bit hectic for me or for us because most of us in here is a student.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah.
Okay, so enjoy as a student, yeah, while contributing in BPC.
Yes.
Still so spirit with BPC. Okay, next.
Next.
Hello, Smart VM listener. My name is Mutmainah Mutia Kahar, and I'm a student in Muhammadiyah University of Makassar, and my major is English department, same with Sam. But actually, today I'm just like nervous because it's my first
That's
time
normal.
in this place. But actually, I'm the newbie with Sam. Actually, in this organization, but I think this organization is really fun. I get a lot of things, like I'm interested with this organization because this organization have like a senior, but the senior is like our family.
Madness, yeah? Madness.
Really, it's really humble. I think it's like just a family, like at home, like that.
Yeah.
So
Just like the tagline, like "Welcome to the jungle." Yeah. So enjoy with BPC, yeah, as a newbie. It's so fun with you guys actually, especially because we just represented around 2 days ago English camp. It makes us more like build our familyhood there.
Yeah, sure.
So because tonight we are going to talking about practice makes perfect, that is still relate to our best to our skill that is English. Yeah, I have a question. I'm starting from Mutia. Okay, Mutia, I will ask you about how do you practice your English or no, I mean, do you have any other language that you learn instead English so far away?
actually, I didn't learn, but I usually watch a Korean drama. So
Oh, okay. Yeah. I think it's every girl's favorite, yeah, include me as a mother. So you learn a little bit also a Korean language, yeah?
yeah,
Like
learn
like
language.
진짜? 알았어?
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. And 감사합니다. It's so nice, yeah, to learn not only about English, but it's like so many obstacle and challenging if we having a good if we having a hobby or favorite things to do that is still relate to the language itself. And how do you get your English basic before you turning to university? What is your passion actually?
Actually, I was learning English since I was in elementary school, but I joined like a club like that, but just
A
a
club
small
too?
club like. But I learned at that time just a vocabulary.
Okay.
I always improve my vocab, like just small, like what is the English from like chicken, dog, like that, just like that, just a simple one.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
I think it's really helpful me right now. And then elementary junior high school and then senior high school, I didn't learn it again because I think I feel like didn't interest again. But after like last year, the third years in senior high school, I interest again. Like I will join in English department when I will join to university.
Oh, so that was your goals, yeah?
Yeah.
And what is your main purpose when you feel that you are finally graduate from English department? I mean, what is your main purpose to be in the future?
Actually, I just wanna use my English like maybe when I like entrepreneur, like doing something job, but use my English like go international like that. I really want it and meet with someone like my idol, like my idol.
Okay.
I really
Who is your idol actually? Can I know it?
Actually, I really love Ariana Grande.
Oh!
I really like. No.
Yeah, if you put someone to be your, I mean, some one of singer to be your idol, it means that you can sing.
Yeah, sure. I can sing a little.
Okay, then.
And there's because my idol, I really enjoy to learn English.
Oh, okay.
It pushed
You have
me
an
like
idol.
you should learn English when you meet your idol. You can speak with her like that.
Okay, okay. I mean, we put it as your wishes and the best prayer. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, nice, Mutia. Next to Samantha, the same question actually. I mean, what is your main purpose? Why do you want to learn English, and or what do you have any other language that you wants to know more as a lesson instead English?
Okay. Talking about like the other language, other than English, I'm not really learning because I just focus on English. But actually, I have like a little unique story. Because when I was like junior high school, I was the only one who really hate English, actually. Because I feel like it's useless. Like I didn't really know like what the purpose of English and why we need to learn English. But when I was like senior high school, I joined like the organization from my high school. It's called ELSA, English Lovers Association of Semansa. Hi, if you guys.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so you were from Semansa?
Yes,
Semansa Makassar?
Semansa SMA Negeri 1 Pangkajene.
Oh, Pangkajene.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I am from Pangkep.
Okay, nice.
Yes. And yeah. I am the only. Oh no, I'm not the only. There are like 3 of us in senior high school in my generation or in my angkatan, which is bertahan in this organization, survive in this organization, and my survivor like menunjuk saya sebagai
Choose you?
sebagai president of this
Wow! So you were the ex-president too, yeah? We have a lot of capability, be patient.
Sure.
I just know. Okay,
Yes,
nice.
I don't know. Actually, the first time, I was like, I want to cry because I don't know why my teacher chose me to be the president because I know my capability and
Yeah.
I'm not that good English. I was really like my English is really bad because why? It's not like I feel like my English is not really good, but yeah, my teacher Sir Arif challenged me. Challenged me. He is very challenged me like if you take this opportunity, you will like get opportunity more. Or we
okay.
didn't know in the next future, it will be like you will be the qualify for the next for your next journey. And yeah, so yeah. And from there I was like training myself or putting like a purpose why I have to learn English by like listening to podcasts.
Okay, nice.
Yes, I really like listening to podcasts. I do it like everywhere and it's everywhere and kapanpun begitu.
That's why you are here today.
Yes.
It's never wrong to choose BPC because BPC is collaborate to Smart FM. It's more like a podcast, yeah.
Yeah.
We are chatting about 1 hour in
Yes.
English.
Yes.
Okay, someone.
I really like it. For example, I really like really watching videos or watching YouTube videos because it will like more to improve our English, like how they pronounce a word or something. So yeah. What
Okay.
else?
Okay, nice, Sam.